Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our presentation of the Geo-Wiki Project, which is currently designing a land cover validation tool at IASA. And in the following minutes, I will show you how Geo-Wiki works and most importantly, how you can validate your self-land cover. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the Geo-Wiki.org website. And you can try it out as a guest, but you can also register immediately as a user, where you have to enter an email address. Then you have to give a password, upon which you verify the password, and then register down here. Now, an important thing that you need to do before you enter the website is that you activate JavaScript, and you need to install the Google Earth plugin, and the details about that can be found here. Now let us log in with the account that we have now registered and go to the application directly. Alright, upon logging in, you will be presented with the following screen. The menu in the left panel is currently set to show none, but you can actually show modis, you can show globe cover, and you can show GLC 2000. Most importantly, you can show the disagreement maps. You have an overall disagreement map button, but you can also choose the radio buttons to compare, for instance, globe cover to GLC 2000, globe cover to modis, and then modis to GLC 2000. This was for cropland, but you can also do that for the disagreement and forest land, as we see here. Now there are some additional features, and since the project is still under development, there will be more and more features, but what is important is the one that loads the baseline data into Google Earth. So what we will show you now is how you can yourself validate one point. And for that one, we have chosen the example of Kisumu in Kenya, where we will zoom in now. Now, let us first get an idea about the type of disagreement that we have by choosing the combined disagreement map. And we can also display a little extra legend over here. And then we see that actually most of the disagreement is marked yellow, so it's actually disagreement about cropland. So hiding the legend again, we now go into the map in order to do our validation. Now, we can choose Alt plus the left mouse in order to see what the disagreement is about. And we see that the GLC 2000, the turquoise square here, shows that this is supposed to be tree cover, and we see it is not. So basically we say this is bad, and then since we have an idea about what it actually is, we can choose from this drop-down menu, cultivated and managed areas, and we go to the next one. The next one is modis, which says that this is woody savannas, and this is also not correct, so this is bad, and we choose that this is cropland. Finally, globe cover says this is mosaic croplands, which is okay, so we choose good. And then, since we have been using a higher resolution picture here, we also check that box, submit, and it will show us that the validation was successful. Now, this was supposed to give you the taste of the Geo-Wiki project, and important is that we need contributions, so I'm asking you to contribute to the project by validating sites, and the upside of this is that you can win a prize. The person that has validated the most sites with the highest accuracy will win a digital camera, and if you have further questions, you can contact us via this link and send us an email. Thank you for your attention.